Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Let's talk about the dynamic content flow. Dynamic content means that we are going to show that you know different content of the dynamic content as per the some criteria defined here, as per some rule defined over here to different subscribers. Whenever we log into our Facebook page, right? We are not like seeing the same. I mean, if I log in, I will see different content. If you will log in, you will see different content, right? It is the dynamic content, it is the dynamic pages. Similarly, if you want to show different content to different subscribers page on some criteria, let's say if somebody's city is equal to, or if you are choosing a location and if somebody's city is Hyderabad or Delhi, right? We are going to show them the content related to that particular city. And let's say we want to share the nearest offices that we have, right? Nearest stores that we have. If we are talking about a brand, let's say Adidas, and based on their city, we want to show them that these are the nearest stores nearby your location. Then what we can do? We have to show different content to different subscribers based on their city. If you want to show different content, first of all, we have to create different content blocks. I'll go ahead and click on. I'm going to create a few text content blocks that we are going to show them based on their city value. The first content block would be, let's say, Hyderabad location. What we are going to write below is a list of all the stores nearby your location. And we want to show them. Let's say in Hyderabad, we have a place for them. Let's say the Chiba only. I'm not sure about this. Let's say Madapur. Let's say if somebody's location is Hyderabad, we want to show them. These are the two different places where we have these stores available. Let me see the changes and let me close the site. We will create another text content block for another location, let's say Delhi. Let's say let me copy the text from here. Let's say in Delhi we have a place called Kuralabad, and let me save this. Similarly, we can have multiple places, we can have different locations, and we can have different places. When we want to create a rule, the rule says that if the field value is equal to this, then show this particular content block, right? Otherwise, show the another content block. Now the field could be present either in the list or the data extension. If we are choosing a field from a list, then we can go to the profile attributes. And if we think that the value or the data that we have stored in a field that is a part of a data extension, then we can go to the data extension. For now, let's go ahead with the data extension. We click on, and here we need to choose one data extension where we have this location when we stored. Let's see. We are choosing this data extension and we have this field called city. If I would say if it is equals to Delhi, then what should happen that? I need to show one content. I will click on the select button and I will select the content block that I want to show if this condition is set aside. Let me go to this folder and I'll choose the folder. I'll choose this content block, Delhi location block. I will click on the select button now. What is happening here? That if whenever we do the preview, we're using this particular data extension and the city value is equals to Delhi, then it will show this particular content to the user. Now we create another rule that if location is equals to Hazrada or the city is equals to Hazrada, and then what content that we want to show? That is Hazrada location block. We'll go to the folder and we'll choose the content block, that is this one. Click on the select. And click on save. Now there could be a possibility that the city value like that we have does not match. It does not match either of these values or it does not match either of these criteria. Let's say it could be a null or it could be, any other city that's say Nane, or any other city. And in that case, what we can do, it will either show the blank, or if you don't want to show the blank, then we have to show the default content. We have to create the default content first of all. We will say that please provide your location if you want to see nearby stores. That is something that we want to show if the city value is not available with us. We'll move on to our folder and here I'm going to create one more text block. Let's go to content and go to its content block. And I'll say please share your location. If you want to see nearby stores, you want to see address. You want to see the location. We'll save this and we'll save default location block. And we'll click on the Save button. Now what we want to do is we will go to the dynamic content, block this one and click on the Browse button. Here we do not have the criteria. I mean, if none of the criteria that we have created holds true, then what will happen? We are going to show this default content. That is this one. We're going to save this. I'm going to say how this content block is used. Let me go back and let me click on any of the email message. This one will talk about the different type of the email messages like template based, HTML based and all. For now, let me show you how we can drag and drop the content block that we have created. We have created all these content blocks we can drag and drop here. And we will go ahead with the previewing test. Now we are going to see that what it looks like for different subscribers. If the city is equal to Hyderabad, then it is going to show us this message here. Or this city is equal to it means we have not defined the criteria for this. It is going to show that the location, and if it is polling, then also the same message. And in case the city is blank, then also it is going to show us the message. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.